getting ready to get on the ferry. This portion of the river is called Niabea. So we're heading that way to get across the river. And all these motorbikes are waiting to cross the river as well. Niabea means, the tour guide was explaining to me, Nia meaning small boat. So I guess the fishermen lived on their boats, small boat, Niabea. And different portions of the river, they have a different name for different parts of the river. Even though it's one river, they have a different name for it. Very interesting. So check this ferry out. Okay, here we are. She's selling lottery tickets. Can you read that? Safety first. I like that. Chickens in a box. Chicken delivery. There he is. Do you see him? Beautiful day here, right outside of Ho Chi Minh City, and heading across the river to some, go see some mangroves, I believe they call them. So checking that out, some of the wildlife, get out of the city some more, and go see some nature besides concrete, and enjoying the day. Enjoying the day, and so there you go. People patiently waiting to get across, sitting in their vehicles. Hi. You're in my video. now where are you guys from?
Moldova.
Huh?
Moldova. If you know, the Republic of Moldova is between
Moldova.
Romania and Ukraine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so far.
Nice. They are from Moldova. Again, the nice thing about traveling is the people that you meet. Just very interesting. Again, I'm the only one from the US in this group. There's probably at least over 30 of us in this group. So we're getting ready to get off this thing. Here we go. We made it to the other side. Look at that precision. Excellent piloting. Excellent. Excellent. Looks like somebody's doing some fabricating. Some serious welding work going on.
I bought this at the market. Yeah.
Oh, you just bought it?
Yeah.
I was like, oh, I haven't seen that one yet. Wow, I didn't see that.
With the elephant.
Follow the leader. Follow the leader.
But I can pull it up over my hip, so it's
Perfect.
oh.
Something smells good. They're always cooking something around here. I love the duck. And always fresh bread. You want to see a jackfruit tree?
Here's another one.
Oh yeah. Just a little one. Jackfruit. Girl from Moldova explaining that to me. And then the other tree here is a mango tree. But I don't see any mangoes. Oh well. I don't know what that is. I don't know. So much to learn with all these different fruits. I don't know why they have it in the that netting. Maybe it's to keep the bugs from eating it. I don't know. I don't know, folks.
Do you think they only have like one?
There's a fair number without me.
Not really.
Look out for the monkeys.
The one with the biggest mouth. Glass is gone.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Took her glasses. I tried to warn her.
Don't go, don't go, don't go.
Monkey took her glasses. Well, we're no longer in Ho Chi Minh City. We're in the land of the monkeys. It's like Planet of the Apes over here. Somebody asked about crocodiles. There's your crocodiles you were asking for. Are there crocodiles there, Jim? Yeah. He's gonna feed the crocodile. Watch this.
Where we know, with the male crocodile, they can get bigger across the town from 6 to 7 meters. The female crocodile stays same size, around 1.5 to 2.2 meters. Yeah, the biggest is 2.5 meters.
And just like that, it's gone. Just like your hand or your foot.
Gotcha.
Excuse me.
So I guess this is where the North Vietnamese soldiers from the north hid out. That's special forces stuff right there. Hide where they're not necessarily going to find you. Who the heck's going to come out here?
Alo.
It's crazy, these walkways for the public to walk on. One false step, you end up in the water here. Unreal. This is actually pretty cool walking through here. One false step. This is crazy. Holy shit. Some more Vietnam War history.
Thì ra về bắt cô chú gặp nhau được là được 2 mặt con. Khi về bắt giải phóng, bắt 7 đi bộ và 5 chỉ đóng tiếp. Thì có 7 nó đi bộ từ Bắc đi bộ vô tới đường sát này bắt tính là 4 tháng 3 ngày. Và sau đó cô Mến vợ có 7 lần đơn của được làm sao? Thì nếu như cô này không vô Nam á là nhà nước sẽ.
Who are you talking to?
Cô vào Nam, tức là tôi nguyện vọng của cô á là để góp phần giải phóng miền Nam thống nhất đất nước. Thì 2 người con của cô, người con lớn của cô là cô Kim Hương 1969 đến năm 1972. Thì lúc này Mỹ trực tiếp chiến đấu miền Nam, tức là những người Việt Nam còn vào chỉ ở phía sau phía nhà, cho nên rất ác liệt. Cho nên thời điểm đó công chúng nói đi là không giấu, nấu là không khói, nấu là không tiếp. Cho nên những đứa nhỏ luôn ở đây khóc là dễ bị nổi. Thì cô chú là về vợ người thân đưa ở nói được khi được chiến thắng này, đây là thắng được khoảng hơn 3 tháng tuổi, thì người dân đó chụp ảnh con cô đem vào cho cổ trang thành cổ thì cô này hy sinh có một cách điều quan ở trong giáo lý của cô là không may là bị quả tiễn 90 ly nó phát hiện khu vực cấp cứu ngay đi hiện thả giống như giờ đó là bệnh địa luôn, thì cô không về hành tiền là hai chân cô mình. Và người đồng đội nhân chứng sống là đồng chí Hùng là chôn cô này ở một cái vùng cây dài thì chỉ là nói ba lô cô này
Water tanks. That's how they got their water out here. Pretty cool. Like a gutter system off the tree into the tank. Being Sunday, there's a lot of people, but they say like during the week there's hardly anybody here.
Gì mà sợ? Đi qua đây, có gì đâu mà sợ. Chỉ có bình thường thôi, nhưng mà đi ở nhà vậy đó. Có gì đâu mà sợ thấy không? Rút chốt, bum.
Đây.
I'm from Ohio.
Ohio.
Ohio in the
Ohio?
in the United States.
In the
And this is
yes.
Yeah. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Oh, so you're from Vietnam?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Nice. Speaking great English.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
He learning English from the primary school.
Oh.
To now.
Oh, okay.
And he to hope in the near future he can go abroad to study export United States.
Oh, okay.
United States very much.
Oh, okay. Nice. Okay, very good.
How many time did you came to Vietnam? How many time?
How-
many time?
How long?
Oh, I've been here about 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yes.
Yep, 2 weeks
You
now.
travel in here or travel out to Vietnam?
No, I've just been in Ho Chi Minh City for now.
Yes.
But I plan to see other places though too. Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah, thank you. Friendly people. Just curious, you know, asking where you're from. And the younger people seem to speak English. And I guess they like to practice their English. I ran into a woman yesterday. She was a couple years older than me. She says she was born in 1968, and she spoke pretty good English to me. And it turns out that her father was an American man. So I had to do the math. She was born in 1968, of course, Vietnam era, and she never met her father. So some American out there has a daughter that's here. So, but she did know that her father was American, and so you run into that. And I also see the older generation of men missing limbs, even to this, you know, to this day. Just remnants of the war, and the war wounds of the old men that you see. And so very interesting. Another water collection point. Another water collection point. All right, here we go.
Làm đam mê có mẹ vậy đâu.
Muốn nằm chứ.
If I would have known we could have swam, I would have bought some, or brought my swim stuff and work on my swim. Very nice pool. Yeah, but these ladies are swimming. Good for them. Good for them. Looks lovely. Look. Want to see some fish? Something smells fishy. Makes you wonder if they sell all that fish. What do they do with it? What they don't sell, you know? I don't know.
Từ hồi bắt đầu làm cái đây cho ăn cơm luôn là ngày chuẩn bị sắp về rồi.
Seeing what's here. Plenty of water around, and it's cheap. I've drank nothing but bottled water since I've been here. Yo.
There you go.
Oh, tiger beer?
Okay.
Yeah, I like tiger beer. It's good, but maybe later. I might get ice cream. Thank you. Come on. She's pointing out, get yourself a tiger beer, she said. She says you look like you could use a beer, she said. How about you seafood lovers out there? Do we have any seafood lovers out there? I got the place for you.
Cúp này ngon nè em ơi. Hồi nãy giờ anh chưa đi nữa
Hi. Saying hi to the kids. No matter where you go, kids are kids. It don't matter where you go. You want to see something besides the city? I found some water. And how often do you see cows by the beachside? Check this out. Hi.
Where you from?
I'm from Ohio. Ohio in the United States.
Ohio.
Yeah, where are you from?
Yeah, Vietnam.
Oh, you're from Vietnam here?
Vietnam.
Oh, okay. No, I'm here visiting. Yeah, I love it. I've been enjoying it.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Yep. See that? I'm telling you. Friendly people. Everywhere I go, people say hi. And that's just rare. And it's not like they want anything. People say, oh, they want something. What does he want? He was just being friendly. Hi, how are you? Where are you from? I love that. Oftentimes in America, they won't even give you the time of day, or if you say anything to somebody, oh, you're inconveniencing them. I tell you what, you're not inconveniencing these people. Absolutely not. Welcome to our country. Thank you for visiting my country here in Vietnam, coming all this way, and we thank you. You know, I mean, come on. You gotta love that. And but this is really cool to me, seeing these cows out here. Hey, cow. He don't want to talk to me, but it's good to see you. Yes. I'll tell you what though, it's a little bit dirty on this beach. It's a little dirty. The East Sea. The East Sea. And shells all over the beach. Oh, there's those girls from Moldova. Very nice girls. Nice people, nice people. Yeah. Boy, that water's rough, man. You had a surfboard? You surfers out there, man. You got some surfing water out here. Surf is up out here. Vietnam style, man. Oh. This is more like it. More like it right here. Yep. Beachside, near water. It's therapeutic. It's very therapeutic. Just listen to that. Just let me quit talking. You listen to this. What'd you find?
I find the green one.
Ah,
That's cool.
that is cool.
Yes.
He's collecting shells. He's collecting shells. Take those home in the luggage. Another nice girl here. Moldova girl.
Yeah,
This is a balloon.
and that fish.
Yes,
Oh, it's a fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want that.
he's like a balloon.
Yeah.
Look at this one.
Wow.
That's it. That's the sorrow. What? How it's called in English, like this one?
It's a shell.
Shell? Oh,
Shell.
right, yeah.
Yeah,
I
shell in
remember.
English.
Yeah. Shell.
A shell. How do you say it in your language?
Сколько?
Skoika? That's
Yeah.
Romanian?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Skoika.
Сколько?
It's a skoika. Skoika. I learned a new word, and I'll remember that. How do you say shell in Romanian? Skoika. Very nice. Little dirty, but you know what? Take a deep breath, suck that in. Okay, this is a little bit nicer area than that other beach. So we went down about 10 minutes away to a coffee shop. So people are getting beverages, juice, coffee, whatever. And we got another opportunity to just kind of walk around. So yeah, this is a lot better. But yeah, the water looks a little dirty, you know? It's not nice and clear. But it's still nice though. It's still nice to be by the water, you know? And yeah, check it out. And on a side note, you'll notice a lot of their houses are tall and narrow. And the reason being is the narrower the house, the less taxes you have to pay. Isn't that interesting? And they all have those big stainless steel, looks like, I guess they're water tanks that they have on top of the house. Not quite sure exactly how they work, but a lot of the houses have those big old stainless steel water tanks on top of the house. Just side note there.